Okay, let's go.
Oh, good. Check your stats.
Good, good.
All good, right? Okay.
Good, good.
Done.
Charge your hero skill here. No, no, never mind. Never mind. I thought. Ah, oh, I'm here. Go, go. Wait, wait. Do not kick it first. Wait. Go.
We can KO it.
Go run.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
When do we harm?
Good.
Ah, shit, I pressed my harm. My bad. Ito ko nga.
Position. Me first. Who's next?
GP. I'll go next.
Maybe.
Christ.
Bug.
Next is Jesus. AIDS. And Alvin. Go, Alvin. Nice.
Go in 3 minutes.
Yeah, Wes.
Wow.
Oh, fuck.
Lutza. Faster.
Good, good. Go, go. 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Double.
1, 2. 2, 2.
Rebuff, rebuff.
Away. Nice. What the fuck?
4
The
minutes.
fuck is so fast.
I can clear ata ito. Napamay.
Search your hero skill here, ha? Do not use hero skills here.
4 minutes.
What's the timer that we need to beat? Flat?
15. Yes, or less, or less. Go, take it. Kicker, Rice, and 1.
Okay.
Okay, let me. Misty
5
palor sa mobs. You lure mobs.
With DA?
Time 5 minutes.
No, who's using Elastra?
That's Hoagie.
Ay, okay.
Eugenie! Kill the small mobs first. Mark. Kick again.
Rugi, wala kang iyo na. Charge your hero skills here.
Left.
6 minutes.
Or front.
Front. Okay, hug wall.
30 seconds.
Armor after this, ah. Yeah. Use your Barnock now.
Ready
Use
ah!
your rain.
Revive all of you! Harmo now!
Just kill it.
At the back, ah. At the back. Go at the back. So we can DPS here.
Seven minutes.
Oh no.
You can. You win. Chaos.
Okay, Kia.
Chaos. 7 and 20. 7 and 30 seconds.
Nice.
Skip.
720.
Oh,
Wow.
729.
Oh,
The fuck?
you shit.
One